Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is about taking off the plates of PlayStation 5 and cleaning the vents properly. First of all, you need to take off the stand by unscrewing the screw and then cleaning it with a paintbrush or a normal cleaning brush can be used. Then make sure you lie your PlayStation flat on a surface, pull up and slide down the plate. You can see the logo of the PlayStation 5. You need to pull up at that point. On the back of the plate, you can see there are hinges which fit into the PlayStation, and then there are raised knobs which clicks into the PlayStation. Once you have done that, same goes on the other side, which is the disk side. You need to pull up and slide down at the same time. Once you have removed both the plates, you can see the portion where the disk is. There is also a slot for SSD if you need to upgrade. All the vents are very dusty and the fan, so you need to clean it to keep it quiet and work smoothly. After cleaning, we are going to put the plates back on. So in this, we will be doing the opposite mechanism. You'll need to put the plate on, slide up, and then place the PlayStation vertical and then click at this point so that it is completely fixed. Same goes for the other side. Place the plate on, move up, and then place the PlayStation vertical and then click at the top point, which you can easily see, and this will secure the plates completely. Once you have done that, finally you need to place bottom stand by screwing it